Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we discuss everything low code, no code, AI, and automation. About a year ago, I posted a video showing how you can clone a website in just a few minutes using 10Web. That video got a lot of love, and for good reason. It made web design feel way more approachable, especially for people who didn't want to mess with code or spend days building a layout. Today, I'm back with part 2, and things have changed. 10Web has introduced a brand new AI website builder that makes it even easier to create, customize, and launch a fully functional WordPress site in just a few minutes. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through both parts. I'll show you how you can still clone any website with just a URL. Then I'll show you how to use that base and use their new AI tools to generate sections, pages, and content almost instantly. So keep watching and let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to find ourselves at 10web.io. And what is 10Web? 10Web is an all-in-one website building platform built on top of WordPress, but with a heavy focus on speed and animation. At its core, it offers AI tools to generate websites, pages, and content. It has one-click cloning from any public URL. It has fast managed WordPress hosting on Google Cloud, and it also has a built-in visual editor on Elementor. It also has automated SEO, image optimization, caching, and backups. And basically, it takes the complexity of setting up a WordPress site, hosting, design, performance, content, all of that, and simplifies it into a single dashboard. So whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or startup founder, trying to get a site live fast, 10Web gives you everything you need to go from idea to a website in just a few clicks. And now with the new AI features, it's not just fast, it's getting smarter too. So now you have a good background of what 10Web is if you weren't familiar before. And now let's go ahead and start cloning our website. So from the homepage, we're gonna go down to recreate any website. And this is how you can turn any website into an editable WordPress draft. So we're gonna go ahead and choose this. And then we're gonna create an account very quickly. Perfect, now that we have an account with 10Web, we're gonna go ahead and insert our URL. So today I'm gonna be cloning Notion. If you aren't familiar with Notion, it's a productivity app, super powerful, a lot of people love it. So let's go ahead and recreate this. Gonna go ahead and click proceed. So now it's gonna start spinning up my site. It's going to install a blank WordPress site. It's gonna recreate the layout. It's gonna add some design elements and then finishing touches. And then we will get an email once our site is finished. Now, this is still one of the best ways to jumpstart a new site. If you've ever looked at a website and thought, I'd love that layout, but I have no idea how to build it, then this feature is perfect for you. So let's give it a few more minutes. It's almost done. Okay, we got a confirmation, and then let's go ahead and preview and edit our website. Okay, so we are taken to our site, and let's go ahead and take a look at the Notion site before. Let's see. So we have our hero. We have a really nice image here. We have different features of the app. Nice image here, and then all of the different sections. So let's take a look at what 10Web built for us. So we have really nice hero, we have some social proof, an image that did not come in too well. It's dynamic, so makes sense, but we do have the layout of it. We have our nice sections. They even pulled the image that was on that section. Here's the next section. We have all of those, amazing. And then we also have the footer as well as our nav bar. It was also able to pick up the pop-up for the new feature for Notion. So this looks amazing. You can do this with any website, and really the possibilities are endless. And like I said in the last video, this isn't a pixel perfect copy, but it does give you a huge head start. The sections are in place, the layout is solid, and you can start customizing it from there. This is really perfect if you're building for a client or launching a quick MVP, or you just really want to shortcut your design process. Okay, so we know that the cloning still works very well, but let's go ahead and take a look at the AI features. So let's go back to the dashboard. You'll see your WordPress page listed. We have our homepage, a user's account, checkout, cart, shop, refund and returns policy. And right next to all of these pages, you'll see this little edit button. So let's go ahead and click on this, and it's gonna go ahead and open Elementor, which is the WordPress site editor. And then from here, we can go and design our site. So we have different containers that were built. We have our headings, all of the different elements that we pulled in from our clone. But the new thing here is that we can edit and create new sections with AI. So if we look up here in the top left, we can see sections with a little sparkle. And then from this, we can enable section generation and global style management with AI. So let's go ahead and activate this. And then we're going to reload this page and then go to sections. So now we have all of these different options. We have our AI generator. We can choose a custom section. We can choose from hero, logos, call to actions, tons of these, and they'll all be here on the side. So portfolio, they have a bunch of different templates here, features list, about. But let's go ahead and try a custom section. So for this section, let's say that we're building a portfolio site for a photographer. I'm going to go ahead and put this description in here. Create a bold, modern hero section for a freelance photographer. Include a short headline, subheadline, CTA button, and a background image of a camera. Let's go ahead and generate this. And it's going to create our structure, write our text, generate our images, and let's see what it puts together for us. Okay, and what's really nice is that we get an option between two of these sections. So let's go ahead and choose this one. It looks pretty nice and pretty spot on to what I asked for. Okay, let's take a look at this section. Capture your story beautifully. I'm a freelance photographer dedicated to capturing authentic moments and creating stunning visuals. Let's collaborate, tell your unique story through captivating images. And then we have a photo of a camera. So we can move this up since it'll be our hero section. And this is awesome. So the AI actually builds the layout, it sets the spacing, places the image correctly, styles the fonts, makes it responsive. It even added this nice little Lottie animation, and it also aligns with your branding if you set that up prior. If you don't love the section, no problem. You can go ahead and click again. It'll give you a few more options. And this works for more than just a hero section. You can do a feature list, portfolio, pricing, title. So now see we have a smaller one. This one could possibly be at the bottom. Book a shoot. See, so we have a nice CTA that we can include at the bottom of the page. And then we can also ask AI to modify this specific element. We can do fast edit. You can go in and edit this specific container. I can change the text, like make the copy of this section more friendly. And you have full control, by the way. You can click into any element here and adjust it the way you would in a traditional builder. So of course you have content, style, advanced. This is a call to action section, but unlike other builders, you're starting from something, not building from scratch. And if you're not interested in cloning a site first, or you just want to start from your own vision, in the dashboard, you can go to their AI builder and you can create an entire site from scratch without building off of a cloned site. So this is still the same 10Web that we love, but now with this AI features, you can clone a layout that you already love, use AI to generate smart, clean sections in seconds, and launch faster with way less effort. So you really get the best of both worlds. You get the power of WordPress and the speed of modern AI. So I hope you go check this out. This 10Web's new AI builder definitely makes WordPress fun again. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And if you want me to test this out on a specific kind of site, like a portfolio, local business, drop a suggestion below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.